Whew. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. Was gonna do another one outside today, and once again, after I get done doing a bunch of stuff I was doing today, started raining. So here we are downstairs. Good thing I have this nice garage shop area to do my thing. Today, another blend in the custom blend series, and this is one from kingsmokingpipesandcigars.com, and this is King Frog Morton. And today I am smoking it out of my Ohio Briar's poker. Check out that poker. It's a big one. It's a big guy. Beautiful pipe. Great smoker. I actually don't smoke it enough. I should smoke it more. But it doesn't fit in my rack, and a lot of times I don't see it, so it's not on my mind. But I have been remembering it more lately to give this guy a smoke. And I had me a cup of tea today. I was gonna charge my microphones up. I didn't make a video for like a couple months, so I put my microphone, lapel microphone away, and I've never charged it back up. I should really do that. But down here it's okay, but outside it can get a little, you know. Excuse me. Alrighty, so King Frog Morton, and this is a Frog Morton clone. And I will preface this, I always do, by saying I never smoked the original Frog Morton, any of the blends from Macallan. Yeah, Macallan. So I really have no comparison whether this really is a good match for the original. On with the notes, and this is their description. King Frog Morton is a result of our long-time effort to reproduce the now discontinued Macallan Frog Morton pipe tobacco. We don't claim it to be an exact match, but we believe we've come up with a satisfying blend that reproduces Frog Morton's silky smooth mouthfeel, rich Latakia character. Whether or not you've ever smoked the original Macallan Frog Morton, we're sure you'll love this delightful English mixture. That back there. Like I said, I never got to smoke. I'm gonna knock that over. So let me put that back there. I never got to smoke the original, and there's some of it floating around out there. You'll see here and there, but I'm not really gonna. I don't want to pay that for it. Goodbye. All right, now my book, in my take, King Frog Morton English. And one thing I don't like about King Smoking Pipes and Cigars is they don't actually list the components. They just give you that description. I printed that right off the website. What I just read, but I like to have the descriptions. Like, what do you have in there? You have some black Cavendish and some Latakia and some Izmir, and you know, I like that. Anyway, the cut is a ribbon. The tin note, I got a sweet, mild, slightly smoky tin note, and the sweet is like a sour, sweet. I can only describe it as it's odd. I got a weird hit in my nose on this one, and I was like, oh. All right, so my take when I first started smoking it, I've been smoking on this about a month. I said it's sweet and sour. I said it's a very light blend, not heavy at all. Some hints of Latakia smokiness, but it's not a big, you know, lat bomb, you know, jumping on at you. I said it's well balanced and well blended. I said I'm getting some odd sour wisps on my tongue. And I don't mean like an Oriental, I mean like a weird, it was just different. Even now smoking it, when I fire it back up with the lighter, I get that, it's a strange sour note that I get. And it could just be me, it could just be my palate. This is just my take. I said it could be the pipe. When I first was smoking, I said, but it's slightly bitter. And I said, and I was getting some bite. I said, I will need more bowls of this blend. And I said, so far to me, it just seems average. And it had to be that pipe, which I didn't write down what pipe I was smoking that day. But I've smoked lots more bowls since then, and I'm not really getting the bitterness that I was that first day. Oh, my nose. Allergies, guys. I smoked some out of my Meerschaum. I said, it's better, but it's still not really hitting me. I seem to be searching for some more flavor. I said, it's a good solid smoke, but it's leaving me wanting more. I said, I think some sweet Cavendish would be a good addition to it. And I do say that a lot, but I think sometimes when you put some sweet black Cavendish in there, sometimes it just bumps that blend up a little bit. I said, in another entry, I said, I have been smoking more and more, and I said, and this is a solid blend. I said, it's balanced, it's even. I said, it's a nice blend, but to me, it's just missing something. And that's what I've come with the whole time of smoking this King Frog Morton, is it just seems a little flat to me, and I kept wanting something else. I would really like to know anybody else out there that has smoked this blend from King Smoking Pipes and Cigars. I always screw that name up. King Smoking Pipes and Cigars.com. Anybody else out there that has smoked this blend, hit me up. Leave me something down in the comments, because I'd like to know your take on it. Or put out a video and tag me in it, because I really want to know your take. And people, if you have smoked this blend and the original Frog Morton, I would really be interested to hear your take on it. Is it like the original Frog Morton? Because I have read reviews that people said they didn't like the original Frog Morton. You know, it's all about your taste. And like I said, this is just my take. And hey, if you're here, if you've made it to minute 7 or so, please like, subscribe, share the video around. Really helps me out a lot. Helps my channel out. I'll get the viewership up. And I would really appreciate it. I dropped my lighter. Thank goodness it wasn't my pipe. I hope I didn't blind you guys on that one. I got all cleaned up. My last video I thought, geez, I look terrible. I got this scruffy and scruffy. But I was a bit under the weather the last couple of weeks. I had a little health thing going on. No big deal. All good. Just, you know, when you get down, you're like, oh. But this, I don't know. It left me wanting a little something else. I was so excited to have some bowls of this. And I don't want to say it was a letdown, but it wasn't what maybe I pumped it up in my head that it was going to be. Excuse me. Yeah, see, there's that weird, and I love Orientals. I love some sour tobaccos, but this is a, I can't put my finger on it. There's just something in there that's just odd to me. And I got to say, this blend wasn't my favorite, and I really wanted it to be. But saying that, I'm going to keep on smoking this, or I may put it on the shelf for a few months and let it age some, then come back to it. And if it does change, I'll put out another video, and maybe I'll bump up my rating. Because at this point, I'm going to give it 2.5 matchsticks from the bench, because it's just, it just didn't do it for me. And I mean, it's a good solid blend, and I hope some people go to King Smoking Pipes and Cigars.com and give this blend a try and let me know what you guys think of it. That was the whole point of the boutique blend series, the custom blend series, was to get people out there going to the brick and mortars and some of the online blenders and trying their stuff too, and let me know, what you think about it. But 2.5 matchsticks from the bench. Maybe it'll get better with time. Maybe it will age out a little bit, and I'll make another video and let you know if that changes. Well, hey, from the bench, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.